structure of a teeth. Clear? Yesterday different kinds of teeth we have seen, but how a teeth looks like we are going to see here, and we are going to study about each functions what they are doing. Clear? See, this is a crown. Over part portion is crown. This one is the nape. As in between comes, this is the between of what I name. Now on the other side, if you see, it's a animal. It's dentine. This one portion. This one is dentine. It's pearl cavity, as it's fluid. The fluid is filled up this pearl, so it's called pearl cavity. This is the root canals. We used to say now that teeth are just embedded in our roots of the mouth. That is. These are the gum tissue where the teeth are stuck. These are the bones. This is the cement, and these are the nerve cells which are present in this root canal. Okay. Now let's come to your book and study about the what they did. So first one is the root, and is the part of tooth embedded in the jaw. See, root canal you can see. So here it's embedded, that the root is fixed at this point. It's embedded here. Okay. Next is the crown, the top portions part of the teeth outside the gums is called, it's a portion gum, and which teeth are visible to us, that is a portion we called it crown. Clear? Next comes the neck. It is just between the root and the crown. See, as the root canal starts from this portion and above the crown, in between the little portion is there, that is called neck. The tooth internally is made up of. How the tooth is made up of internally? This is the over portion that is visible to you. But what is the main component inside the teeth? We can see that is the enamel, the white portion that is visible, on which we are used to brush daily in the morning. That we call is the hardest substance in our body, and that is called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Now what is dentine next? The dentine is a bone structure, and it is too hard also. Okay. This portion makes us clear that how the tooth looks like. What are the important, we can say importance of a teeth in our life. Now we are going to study about how to take care of them. Take care means, this is also an important section. Without taking care, how your teeth can be secured for rest of your life. So next comes is properly brush your teeth every day in the morning and again before going to bed. Massage your gums gently with a soft brush or finger. You know that just as your teeth appears, after it we have our jaws. Clear? Upper jaw, lower jaw, and that are the gums. Clear? This gum tissue. With a soft brush, if you are just massaging them, then it will take care of our tooth. Okay? Now eat self-cleaning food such as raw vegetables, carrots, radish, cabbage, fruits, particularly citrus fruits, so that it will be help for cleaning our teeth too. Massage your mouth thoroughly with water after every eating. And if we are taking something, we should massage our, or we should wash our mouth so that no impurities can causes to our teeth. So, is this clear for you all? Because it's sufficient for today. As I have drawn a structure of teeth for you, so you can just complete this structure in your notebook and just show all the different types of functions of that particular parts, and then how we should take care of its that is also important. So for today's work in assignment, only 2 or 3 questions that you have to complete. Clear? Note down. So dramatically, structure of tooth with all important parts. Okay? Explain with the help of drawing about structure of teeth. About a structure of teeth with its part. Okay, what are the parts, how they used to help, so you have to complete about them. Okay, and second question, write down the functions for taking care of teeth. Write down the functions for taking care of your teeth. Okay, only these 2 questions. As today I have taught you such topic about the structure of teeth and how to take care of teeth. On the basis of that, these 2 questions you have to do in your assignment. Okay, thank you for today, and with another lecture, that is a topic of digestion of